How do I access the Tools menu in Outlook?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be exploring how to access the Tools menu in Outlook. It's an essential feature that helps you manage your emails and optimize your productivity. Let's dive right in.
What is the Tools menu?
Before we begin, it's essential to understand what the Tools menu is. The Tools menu in Outlook contains several options that allow you to manage your emails better. It includes functionalities like rules and alerts, mailbox cleanup, and more. Unfortunately, in the latest versions of Outlook, there's no direct Tools menu, but don't worry, the options are still there, just organized differently.
Accessing Outlook.
Let's start with the basics. First, we need to open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by clicking on the Outlook icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu or Applications folder if you're using Mac.
Navigating to the Tools options.
Once you've got Outlook open, it's time to navigate to the Tools options. If you're using Outlook 2007 or an earlier version, you'll find a direct Tools menu at the top of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will open with all the Tools options. For Outlook 2010 and later, you'll need to go to the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Backstage view. From there, you can find most of the tools under the Options command. If you're looking for specific tools like rules and alerts or mailbox cleanup, you can find them under the Home tab in the Move or Delete groups. Remember, even though the layout has changed, all the functionalities are still there, and we hope this guide helps you locate them. And that's it. You now know how to access the Tools menu in Outlook. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on using Outlook more effectively. Happy emailing!